Hello guys, welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to send your live location on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Open the chat where you want to send your live location. Tap the attachment icon, paperclip, at the bottom of the screen. Select location from the option. Next, tap on Share Live Location. You can choose the duration for which you want to share your live location, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Once done, tap on the Send button and your live location will be shared with the selected contact. That's it. You've successfully sent your live location on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you for watching.